इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अस्मा's किचन। आई एम अस्मा। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर रियली यमी रेसिपी ऑफ खड़े मसाले का कीमा। Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is recipe card in the end of the video. So here are the ingredients you will need. Beef mince 1 kilogram, oil 1 cup, onion 4 sliced, tomatoes 2 sliced, mint leaves 1 cup, coriander leaves 1 cup, yogurt 1 cup whipped, ginger 1 tablespoon crushed, garlic 1 tablespoon crushed, salt 1 tablespoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, chili flakes 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, green chilies 8, cloves 12, cinnamon sticks 4, black cardamom 5, white cumin seeds 2 teaspoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, black peppercorns 30. Now heat up oil in a pan and add salt, ginger, garlic and saute it. Now add onion and fry it. When they turn into golden brown in color, like this, now they are in golden brown color, add white cumin seeds, black cardamoms, cinnamon sticks, cloves and black peppercorns, and again saute it. Then add beef mince and saute it. Saute it till it changes its color. Now it has changed its color. Add turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, chili flakes and again saute it. Now add tomatoes and saute it. Then add whipped yogurt and mix it again. After mixing it, cover it and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes on medium heat. Now again saute it. And add whole green chilies and keep on sauteing it. Then add chopped mint, saute it again. Then add coriander leaves and saute it. And keep sauteed for 5 to 10 minutes. Then cover it, lid and let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's ready, so I'm dishing it out. And now I'm garnishing it with chopped coriander leaves, julienne ginger and julienne green chilies. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen. Hit the like button, share this video and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.